Kamukha mo si Tito Mars. Kaugali mo din.
Don't you dare. Don't you dare.
Ma, pagtanggol mo ako, ma.
You
Hey,
understand me?
bitch!
Hey, bitch.
What are you saying like that?
Hey, don't you dare talk with me. Don't you dare.
Are you nervous?
Are you nervous? Are you nervous? You've never
You are
seen
so
pretty
disrespectful.
girl. You've never seen pretty girl like me.
You don't talk like that on us.
You don't never seen pretty girl like me.
You're so not
You're not
my God,
you're not
you're
so
so
ethical.
I'm so.
You are so
you've never seen-
inappropriate.
You've never seen pretty girl like me.
We don't care. We don't care even your pretty girl. Respect us because we respect you.
respect what I'm saying. Respect all people. Oh my
Yes.
God.
Kamukha mo si Tito Mars. Kaugali mo din.
Ganyan ka talaga eh.
Ganyan talaga siya, ma.
Alisin mo na yan.
Hindi ko, paano mo umalis dito? Paano ba?
Pinipilit. You're so pretending to be person. Yeah.
Bye-bye. Leave ka na,
Bye.
ma.
Bye. Love you.
Siya
Baby.
mag-believe.
Love you.
Bye, leave.
Bye. Leave.
Go.
Okay. Bye. Bye.
Tagal.
Love you. Love you.
Parang may self din siya.
Oo. Nag-comment si Devon.
Do you have self?
I have self.
Oh my God.
Oo nga. Hala. Legit.
Kiss.
Okay. Feel ko dax, ma.
Why everyone say report? Report. Why report? Why report?
Bye-bye. Go home. Please. Ay. Correct. Kaya na, ma. Ikaw kasi, kasalanan mo to lahat eh.
Hindi. Siya yung nag-una.
Siya ba?
Naloko nga ako, nagaganon siya eh.
Kaya nga, nagulat din ako. May self talaga siya.
Di ba?
Huwag na natin invite si Perlas, ang ingay niya. Maghanap tayo ng afam dito dalawa para partner-partner.
Tag-isa tayo.
Oo.
Nasaan na ba si Perlas? Anong ginagawa niya?
Ngayaan mo siya. Huwag mong i-accept ha.
Gaga, kaibigan natin yun.
Kaibigan ba? Add mo si si Kyle Ichari.
Tang ina mo, i-accept niya ba to?
Wala kasi ang afam eh. Ikaw kasi maghanap.
Blow my mind.
Say somebody. Ang ganda ng boses ko, no?
Hindi naman.